how to turn off and disable comments on all your videos at once on your YouTube channel on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to youtube.com, now click here and go to the YouTube studio right here, and here it will take you to this page. Click on content. After you click on content, now here on this page, all what you have to do is click here to select all videos and click on edit and go down to comments. Now from here click on disable comments and click update videos, and all your videos are gonna be disable the comments from. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later in the next video, and thank you so much for your support guys.